bench hip thrusts or glute bridges. You can call them either. So this is a great exercise for the glute max, targeting the biggest part of your gluteus range and working into creating that round glute shape that all of us desire, right? So we're gonna have Michelle actually inch her way down on the bench here. You can use your couch, you can use a chair, you can pretty much use any surface for this. You can use a ball. So Michelle's decided to sit right down onto the floor. It's fine. And then she's gonna lean back from there, adjusting so her shoulders are up on the bench. We wanna make sure that she's not pivoting out of her shoulders, so her shoulders aren't moving on the bench. All the pivoting is coming out of her heels and her knees. So what we're doing here is we're going to push into the heels and lift those, single arm, we're gonna do double first, perfect, and lift those glutes up. So she can actually even spread her arms out on this bench, just relax her head and lift straight up. We're going for that hyperextension, so the higher she can lift here, the better, and then coming back down. You can stretch it out, go all the way down, but you don't necessarily even need to. Pushing into those heels, coming down, exhaling up. If you don't have this kind of flexibility in your low back, it's fine. Just come on down halfway and up, exhaling on that up. If you want to add weight, make this exercise a little bit more difficult, you can add a dumbbell to the hip region, or you can add a medicine ball or a barbell or whatever you have. I would suggest holding on to it. Exhaling, come up. Make sure you're pushing into those heels and not pushing too much into the bench. We want to make sure those glutes are doing the work, not the lower back. Perfect. That looks great. Thanks, Michelle. That, my friends, is a bench glute bridge.